Hi, I'm Don, Senior Real Estate Consultant from Propseller. We're just off Chin Swee Road this afternoon to explore a one-bedder in the Landmark, our upcoming high-rise development right behind me, nestled between the CBD, River Valley, and Outram. Let's get started.
This 99-year leasehold condo by Landmark JV will stand tall at 39 stories and comprises 396 units. Today, we are zooming into a compact yet efficient 495 square feet one-bedder. The Landmark's facilities were spanned across 5 lifestyle decks. Look forward to a 50-meter infinity pool on level 2, sky gym, and panoramic decks on level 34, just to name a few. Since we don't have access to the physical unit just yet, our team has come up with a design mock-up to bring you through the space. Starting from the entrance, the space opens up to a living and dining area, seamlessly connected to an open concept kitchen at the entrance. The design is squarish and efficient, offering you minimal wasted space. Though compact, the balcony extends your visual depth, offering views towards the park and skyline. The kitchen comes with built-in appliances like a hood, hob, oven, and washer-dryer. To the right, you'll find the common bathroom accessible from the hallway, so guests don't need to go through the bedroom. Now, let's take a quick look at our unit's pricing analysis. When comparing our unit with other similarly sized one-bedroom sub-sale listings in the Landmark, we found 13 other competing listings at the time of filming. They are priced between $2,222 and $2,384 per square foot. Our unit with price per square foot of $2,303 is the second most competitively priced listing in the development. This certainly positions our unit as an attractive unit to consider for buyers and investors. The bedroom in our unit fits a queen-size bed with side tables and comes with a built-in wardrobe for your storage needs. Flooring finishes include timber for the bedroom and porcelain tiles in the living and kitchen, with tasteful fittings that elevate the space. Location-wise, the Landmark is about a 6 to 8 minute walk to both Chinatown and Outram Park MRT, connecting you to the northeast, downtown, east-west, and Thomson East Coast lines. You're also a short drive from CTE and AYE, bringing your commute to the financial business district and the rest of Singapore much more seamless. Lifestyle hubs like Clarke Quay, Robertson Quay, People's Park, and Maxwell Food Centre are also conveniently minutes away.
And that wraps up our virtual walkthrough of this one-bedder at the Landmark, compact, connected, and ready to move in once completed. Do contact my team at Propseller today, and we'll be delighted to walk you through a sales presentation of the Landmark. I'm Don, Senior Real Estate Consultant from Propseller. Looking forward to chatting with you.
If you want to see more of these exclusive home tour videos, do subscribe and click on the notification bell below.